What up, y'all? TJ here. I'm gonna do a little bit of slinging here today with old Miss Daisy, and one of my buddies got me an alien. They don't squeak, but got me a little alien, rubber alien. Is that what you call that? I don't know. Whatever. We're gonna go sling at it. We're gonna set it up down in the catch box. Hold on. All right, setting up right there in that corner. Let's see if we can't send this little guy into outer space where he belongs. Man, that is such a big fat head to aim at. If I miss this, there's something wrong. There's something wrong, y'all. I like barely missed it too, just to the right. First shots of the day, so we'll blame it on that. Right underneath him, I hit the holder. Let me go reset him back up. All right, now set back up in that corner there. Let's aim at that fat head there. Man, just right next to him. Domed him on that one. Oh yeah, I gotta show you this. Look at that, split him right between the eyes. Let's go set him back up though. See if we can't do any more damage to this little guy. I feel like that was in the chest. Let's get some close-ups here, I guess, right? I'm pretty sure I hit him in the head, but... Really? My holder's getting all messed up. There we go. Oh yeah. Look at that. Splitting him pretty good, y'all. Alright, poor little guy's taking a beating. See how many more I can get on him. Just barely missed him to the right. It's gonna snow tonight. It's already kind of snowing, so. Oh, man. Yeah, he's pretty much missing his right side of his face there right now. Same spot. I'm consistent though. Same spot again. Dang it. Oh man, that was not the same spot. I was tying to the left a little. Smoked him on that one. fly to outer space already. He's taking a beating. Oh yeah. Blew out the side of his head on that one. So I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I got that 40 millimeter sitting in there. There we go. One. Two. Oh man, just barely missed that one. Fingers are getting kind of cold, might have to call it. I should probably call it, that was way off. There we go. Got a hit on that last one anyways. Old Miss Daisy sending that alien to outer space and smoking a 40 mil. She working for me. Y'all have a good one. Stay warm if it's cold. Always keep her between or over the forks. Later.